Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we will discuss case study based question answers of class 7 geography. So let's start. Our earth is surrounded by a huge blanket of air called atmosphere. Clear? All living beings on this earth depend on the atmosphere for their survival. It provides us air we breathe and protects us from the harmful effects of sun's rays. Without this blanket of protection, we would be baked alive due to the heat of the sun during day and get frozen during night. So it is this mass of air that has made the temperature on the earth livable. Clear? Now let's discuss question answers based on this passage. First question is blanket of air is called, options are atmosphere, greenhouse or global warming. Answer is atmosphere. Blanket of air is called atmosphere. This is the definition of atmosphere also. Next question is without this blanket living beings, options are could not live on the earth or could not get livable temperature on the earth, or both 1 and 2. Answer is both 1 and 2. Next question is greenhouse gases, options are carbon dioxide or oxygen or ozone. Answer is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is greenhouse gas because it traps the heat come on the earth from sun rays and did not allow it to go back from the atmosphere to maintain the temperature of on earth. Next question is most plentiful gas in the air is, options are oxygen or nitrogen or ozone. Answer is nitrogen. Nitrogen is the most plentiful gas in the atmosphere. Next question is ozone layer is found in, options are troposphere or stratosphere or mesosphere. Answer is stratosphere. Ozone layer is found in stratosphere which protect us from the harmful rays of sun. That is all. Let's see the clipping first. Let's try to understand the problem which is being highlighted in this clip. The entire picture is based on the problem of water. Clear? Now let's discuss question answers based on this clipping. First question is what problem is being highlighted in the given clip? Options are scarcity of water or availability of water or water pollution. Answer is scarcity of water. Clear? Next question is how many rivers are on the verge of dying according this picture? Options are 5 rivers or 10 rivers or 8 rivers. Answer is 10 rivers. In this picture, here are according this picture 10 rivers which are on the verge of dying, on the verge of drying actually. Next question is what is the best way to tackle with water scarcity? Options are rainwater harvesting or keep check on pollution or ignore the problem. Answer is rainwater harvesting. By harvesting rainwater, we can tackle with the problem of water scarcity. This is the best way according to this picture. Next question is urban India has, options are proper water supply or poor sanitation service or adequate resources. Answer is poor sanitation service. In urban India, there is poor sanitation services. People are suffering from poor sanitation services because of which they are suffering from water scarcity also. Start. Our earth is like a terrarium. Clear? The same water that existed centuries ago still exists today. This is the passage, two lines, and now discuss question answers based on this extract. First question is terrarium means options are artificial enclosure or water conservation or water resource. Answer is artificial enclosure. Terrarium is artificial enclosure. And uh, earth is like a terrarium means the surroundings of the earth are like a terrarium, work like a terrarium. Atmosphere around the earth work like as a terrarium. Next question is water is circulated in options are through recycling or by conservation or through water cycle. Answer is what? Through water cycle. Water circulated through water cycle. Next question is water has been wasted. Options are by industrial waste or domestic waste or both 1 and 2. Answer is both 1 and 2. Water is being polluted by industrial waste as well as domestic waste. Next question is though water is renewable resource, still we are facing shortage of it. Options are because of water pollution or due to water cycle or due to global warming. Answer is because of water pollution. Water is getting polluted and polluted water become useless, and so we are facing shortage of water. Clear? That is all. The passage is the changes in the natural vegetation occur mainly because of the changes of climatic condition. Clear? This is an extract on which question answers we discuss. MCQs based on these lines we will discuss now. Next first question is the plant community which grow naturally without human aid is options are natural vegetation or deciduous forest or evergreen forest. Answer is natural vegetation. Natural vegetations are the plant community which grow naturally without human aid, without any assistance of human. They grow naturally. Next question is change in type of natural vegetation is due to options are climatic conditions or thickness of soil or both 1 and 2. Answer is both 1 and 2. Climatic conditions as well as thickness of soil affects the growth of natural vegetation. Different places have different type of vegetation. Clear? Next question is natural vegetation that grow in region of moderate rain. Options are forest or grassland or shrubs. Answer is grassland. Natural vegetation that grow in the region of moderate rain are known as grasslands. Next question is the forest where trees do not shed their leaves altogether. Options are tropical rainforest or tropical deciduous forest or tundra forest. Answer is tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest are also known as tropical evergreen forest. Clear? So these in these forest trees never shed their leaves. Clear? That is all for. Settlements are places where people build their homes. Early human beings lived on trees and in caves. When they started to grow crops, it became necessary to have a permanent home. Clear? The settlement grew near the river valleys as water was available and land was fertile. Clear? Next is with the development of trade, commerce and manufacturing, human settlements become larger. Clear? Now let's discuss question answers based on this extract. First question is permanent settlement started with options are animal hunting or animal rearing or crop production. Answer is crop production. With the production of crops, it become necessary to live at on a common place, at a permanent place. Next question is early settlement grew. Options are near caves or near river valleys or on trees. Answer is near river valleys. Early settlement grew near valleys because of the availability of water and fertile land. Next question is the places where people build their homes are called. Options are settlement, development or urbanization. Answer is settlement. The places where people build their homes are called settlements. Next question is development of trade, commerce and manufacturing made settlements. Options are larger or smaller or smarter. Answer is larger. Trade, commerce and manufacturing made the settlements larger. Clear? That is all. The extract is life of the people of Amazon basin is slowly changing. Clear? In the older days, the heart of the forest could be reached only by navigating the river. Which river? Amazon River. Clear? In 1970, the Trans-Amazon Highway made all parts of the rainforest accessible. After becoming the Amazon Highway, all parts of the forest become accessible. Clear? Now let's discuss question answers based on this passage. First question is Amazon basin lies in options are tropical region or frigid region or polar region. Answer is tropical region. Amazon basin lies in tropical region. Next question is which type of forest grow in Amazon region? Options are deciduous forest or tundra forest or rainforest. Answer is rainforest. Tropical rainforest grows in Amazon region because of the heavy rainfall. Next question is the Trans-Amazon Highway made all parts of the region. Options are not reachable, accessible or difficult to move on. Answer is accessible. All parts of the forest become accessible, reachable. Next question is how could one reach in the heart of the region in older days? Options are by navigation or by road or by train. Answer is by navigation the river, Amazon river. Otherwise, in older days, people could not reach all parts of the forest. But after the construction of the highway, all parts of the forest become accessible. That is all for today. Let's start. The desert area of the world are characterized by low rainfall, scanty vegetation and extreme temperatures. Clear? Depending on the temperature, there can be hot deserts or cold deserts. The people inhabit these lands wherever little water is available to practice agriculture. Clear? Now let's discuss question answers based on this passage. First question is Type of deserts depend on options are temperature of the area or type of soil of the area or moisture of the area. Answer is temperature of the area. Type of desert depend upon temperature of the area, whether it is cold desert or a hot desert. Next question is desert in world characterized. Options are low rainfall or extreme temperature or both 1 and 2. Answer is both 1 and 2. Means deserts characterized as low rainfall as well as extreme temperature and scanty rainfall. Next question is desert is an options are arid region or humid region or moist region. Answer is arid region. Dry and arid region. Desert has dry and arid atmosphere. Next question is which of these is a hot desert? Options are Ladakh desert or Sahara desert or both 1 and 2. Answer is Sahara desert. Sahara desert is an hot desert and Ladakh desert is a cold desert. Next question is desert can be options are hot or cold or both 1 and 2. Answer is both 1 and 2. Clear? दैट इज ऑल फॉर टुडे। आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। वीडियो कैसी लगी कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके जरूर बताइए। वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, फ्रेंड्स के साथ में रिलेटिव्स के साथ में शेयर कर लीजिए। चैनल पे पहली बार आए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, साथ ही बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लीजिए ताकि आपको नए नए वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन टाइम टू टाइम मिलते रहे। फिर मिलेंगे एक नई वीडियो में एक नए चैप्टर के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।